So the question given is, a particle moves in a circle of radius 21 by 22 meters with constant speed of 1 meter per second. Find the magnitude of average velocity and the magnitude of average acceleration in 2 seconds. So here, first let us construct a circle. Radius is given as 21 by 22 meters. This we can write it as 3 into 7 by 22. 22 by 7 is nothing but pi. So the radius is here 3 by pi meters. If you want the total time taken for the particle to complete a revolution, that will be 2 pi r by v. So this is 2 pi, r is 3 by pi by 1. So this is 6 seconds. In 6 seconds it will complete one revolution. Here we are talking about 2 seconds. So the particle will complete 1/3 of its revolution. So let us assume initially the particle is starting from this point at t is equals to 0. At t is equals to 2, it will be covering 1/3 of the revolution, means this angle will be 120 degrees. At t is equals to 2 seconds, particle will be here. As it is moving with constant speed, the velocity, magnitude of velocity will be remaining constant. So first part we have to find what will be the average velocity. For finding average velocity, first let us find the displacement. This is our displacement. Let us take this as x. This is r. This is also equal to r. This angle will be 30 degrees. Now if we apply the sine rule in this triangle, we can write r upon sine 30 will be is equals to x upon sine 120. So here we can say the displacement of the particle x will be is equals to root 3r. Now the magnitude of average velocity will be total displacement upon total time. Total displacement covered is root 3r and the time taken is 2. Substitute the value of r here. So this will be is equals to 21 root 3 upon 44 meters per second. This will be the answer for first question. The second question asked is, what is the average acceleration? Average acceleration is nothing but overall change in velocity, that is v final minus v initial upon t. We want the magnitude here. So first we have to find the magnitude of change in velocity. Initial velocity is in horizontal direction. Final velocity is at an angle 120 degrees with the horizontal. So here the change in velocity magnitude will be root of 1 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 into 1 into cos 120. Cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. Divided by time taken is 2. So this 2 will get cancelled, minus into minus plus. So this will be is equals to root 3 by 2 meters per second square. This will be the solution for this question.